Hey guys, welcome back to the Strong Style Collectibles. Today we're going to be unboxing a box of 2016 Heritage WWE trading cards by Topps, 7 packs plus a relic card. Look for the Rock Tribute, which I don't care much about. The Rock could suck it. Sorry, Dwayne, you suck. Alright. Alrighty then. So it says 64 cards total per box. And they put a magnet so you won't steal them online, because I buy them online. Epic. And that. Alright guys, so I got my relic card right here. And I'm not gonna give no spoilers. We're gonna start with our first pack here. Start our first card with a legend, Ron Simmons. Damn. Okay. NXT Finn Balor. Superstar Undertaker. The Dead Man. Superstar Rusev. Superstar Luke Harper. I guess they're all superstars. Dolph Ziggler, he ain't no superstar. Scott Hall. Record breaker Finn Balor. And turn back the clock. Macho Man Randy Savage. Oh yeah. We got Alberto Del Rio. Becky Lynch, Andre the Giant, Bruno Sammartino, Mr. Perfect, Rod Van Dam, oh damn, Ric Flair, Bruno Sammartino, the Iron Sheik. This said they were 2016. Last year's. Trish Stratus. Tyson Kidd. The Rock. Kevin Owens. Jack Swagger. Paul, Mr. Wonderful Orndorff. I got something here. Tribute to The Rock. Like if I don't have too many of those. Neville, Undertaker. Okay, we got Bray Wyatt. They all got like the freaking chicken flu or something going on over there. I don't know what's going on. Zack Ryder. Colin Cassidy. Okay, that's his real name. Big ass. Bam Bam Bigelow. Jake the Snake Robert. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Medusa. Roman Reigns. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Right. What we got right here is Edge, the rated R superstar. Lita. Ric Flair. Roddy Piper. The Ultimate Warrior. Rosa Mendes. Bam Bam Bigelow. Rated R superstar. And the Heartbreak Kid. Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels, my friends. We got Eva Marie. Seth freaking Rollins. Randy Orton. Kofi, ancient Jamaican Gibson. Cesaro, Big Show, Kurt Hennig, Triple H, and Andre the Giant. Last pack. We have Oscar, Sami Zayn, the British Bulldog, Kevin Nash, Rick Rude, Sting, Tribute to The Rock, Lex Luger, and the Boss Man. Alright, that was our cards. So now we're gonna check our epic card. Relic. And I'm still trying to get a Kiss card. Everybody cross their fingers. Give me a drummer sound here. Please be something that I'll be proud of. Can't get it open. Why can't I get it open? It's making me freaking nervous here. Crap. Must be a Kiss card because he's also want to come out. And oh my God, I seen it. It's not a Kiss card, guys, but I am freaking happy with this card because it's no other than Paige Bronze and Wardrobe card. Yes, sir. This is one of my best cards. I'm gonna treasure this for life. Oh God, I got Paige Bronze card. Alright guys, I hope you like this pack. Subscribe for more to the next pack. Can't see me, guys.